How to clear Netflix cache on LG Smart TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To clear your Netflix cache on your LG Smart TV, all you need to do is press and hold onto your home button on your LG Smart TV remote. After that, you need to navigate to the settings menu. In your settings, navigate to the section related to apps, general or device. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your TV model. Find an option to manage apps or applications. Locate the Netflix app in the list. Select the Netflix app and then choose the option to clear cache or storage. Confirm the action when prompted. If you tap on the Clear Storage option, then you might have to sign in again into your Netflix. It will not delete any of your watch history, but it will certainly remove the account that is connected to your LG TV. So make sure to click on Clear Cache. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.